Hi everyone. I am in Ontario and I am at an Airbnb and I happen to have gone to a local scrapbooking store in Ontario that I order from all the time. It's called Papercrafter's Workshop. I have a video that I will link below that my children actually helped me put together showing the shop. I was very excited to visit because it's a 4.5 hour flight from where we live. And we happened to be going to Ontario from BC for a vacation and were able to stop by. I had made multiple orders and I was able to pick up the orders I had previously made and also buy a couple of extra things, of course. So the great thing about this store and a lot of local scrapbook stores is they let you build a box. That's what they called it. And you can actually purchase items online until you hit their minimum spending threshold for free shipping or a reduced shipping. And so in this case, in this store, if you spend, I believe it's $150, you get free shipping, and that includes sale items and everything. So often what I'll do is keep an eye out for their sales and then do my purchasing then. Or if it's something I really want, I'll purchase something from them and then they'll put it aside in this box and then ship it to me. Now, when you go to pick up in store, you don't normally get a box like this, but the person who helped me in store, she was wonderful. She said, "Oh, I know you're flying, so I'll give you a box so that your paper doesn't get all crumpled in your suitcase." So I'm just going to put aside the items and I will show you what I purchased. So I do have a few projects in mind for most of this, not all of it. So I got a couple packs of the 49 Market chipboard words, and I purchased one of these on clearance from another scrapbooking store, and I really loved using them. So if you take a look at the back, these are so great to add to cards or a layout, and I love how it's got things very general like hello, but it also has a lot of traveling ones, and I'm going to be making a couple of travel themed scrapbooks, small mini albums. And one of them was when from a trip we went to Costa Rica. So I think this would be really great for that. And to go with that, I also purchased the kaleidoscope chipboard words. Now, the price on here says $9.99. Sorry for the glare. But I did buy these on sale. So they have great sales all the time, kind of constantly. And I just once in a while will kind of see what they have that's new and or that I've been looking at. And that's usually how I do most of my purchasing because it is my hobby. So it's something that I have to kind of watch what I spend. So those are great for, like I said, scrapbook albums. And then I have this one I'll put aside because that's what I purchased when I was there. Then I got this. I also thought was really great. It's only $3. They had it on sale. Even the regular price was like a really good price, $4, $4.19. So these are great because they're already ready for you, and they are stickers. So if you take a look, I'll just grab one of the thank yous. They're by Violet Studio. And if you can see that, it's just a little thank you sticker. This would be great to make really quick cards. And I think I might also take, because there's multiple pages. So I think there's 3, it says 12 designs, 12 sheets, 2 designs. So it looks like 6. Oh, I didn't even realize that. 6 of each. So I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to keep a couple in my own stash. And then I do like a maker's club at work. I'm a teacher. And I will take the rest of it to work because that would make really, really quick cards. We only have a short amount of time at lunch with the kids to create things. And so this would make it a lot faster and less prep for me. And okay, and then I got this really nice, oops, it's hard to see, Spellbinders embossing folder. And because I'm using my one hand. Sorry, my nails are atrocious right now. It's hard to see. I think that's a better shot. There you go. It's called Columns. I just thought that was really pretty, and I love the size. I'm trying to buy larger embossing folders because I realized I use those a lot more, and that's 5.5 by 8.5. I cracked and bought a Gina K Master Layouts. I feel like this is maybe not something I need, but I have put these in my cart and taken them out so many times. I love that it's just like a set that you can make cards really easily with, and I love the little banner dies and the dots. So I'm going to give it a go. I got some colored cardstock, pardon me, from Concord and Ninth, and it was their 2024 color collection, creamsicle, watermelon, wildberry, grasshopper, eucalyptus, rainforest. And I also got some corresponding inks to go with it, I think. Let me see. I definitely got the wildberry because I was really excited about that color. It just seemed really different to me. And I think, did I get any of the other ones? Maybe not. Nope, I think wildberry was the only one from this one I got. I did get some other Concord and Ninth inks, but this was the only one from this particular collection because I think some of them they didn't have in stock anymore, but also I think I had some similar ones, so I didn't want to double up. But I just really wanted to try, I've heard good things about their cardstock, and I thought I would give a little splurge and give those a shot. And then since I have those inks, I just put them in a baggie because like I said, I'm going to be traveling. So I bought a bunch of ink cubes. So I have Distress Oxide inks, but then I also have kind of been slowly building up my ink collection, my dye ink collection. And so I got some from a kit, I think it was last year or the year before from Concord 9th. So I thought I would get a few more of those, and then the Gina K. I really like the Gina K ones as well. And I realized this is what happens when you buy things online. You think you're getting really different colors, but you're not. Because look, I haven't swatched these, but the parsley and the grass green look almost the same on the cover, and the avocado is very similar. Like, those are really similar colors. If I was in person in the store buying these, I probably wouldn't have bought the two, but I had already ordered it. And I didn't notice when I was at the store. I probably could have swapped one out. Like, I probably could have swapped out this parsley in the store for a different color, and she would have been fine with it. But I didn't notice. Even the sweet pea and the bubble gum are kind of very similar. But anyways, I'm sure they're different enough. Wild Wisteria, Wild Lilac, Bubblegum Pink. I love, like, this is basically my color palette. If you threw on a blue, like, those are my favorite colors. I actually thought I did order a blue, but I guess I didn't. And then I also got, this was on $12.47. I think it might have even been further reduced. I'm not sure. For 4 of the Hero Hues, the purples. I've been eyeing this also for a while, and I do love purples, and I love that it's kind of a gradient, especially these 3. They'd be great for, like, layering flowers and that. That's kind of what I had in mind. That's what I had in mind with the greens, is I wanted a couple that were similar but different, and I was trying to get some different greens. I use a lot of greens in stamping and blending and that. So those are the inks that I got. I'm just gonna move those aside. And then I thought I would try these. I've seen them, but I'd never tried them. So these are to help design pages and to, like, really line them up. So that's kind of the idea there in the back. You can use it on smaller pages or larger ones in the middle. I liked the idea of using those to line up my pages really well and just to give me some ideas with designs. So I got a few of those. They had them on clearance. And then they did have a 3x3 one as well, which I'm going to have to track down because I don't typically use the 2x2s. But, this would also be great to do, if not all photos, you could do some like sentiments in here or cut aparts or stickers kind of in between and make a really cool grid layout. It'll just be easier to line it up that way. And then kind of obsessed, like I said, these are definitely my colors, the blues, the teals, the purples. With the Snow Much Fun, they had put this on sale recently, and I love this page. Like, I had bought, I think, 2 already, and I have the 6x6 paperback, and I bought more because I didn't want to use it. It's like, no, I can't use it because then it's gone. So I'm going to have to find a really nice, I'm thinking of making some kind of, I don't know, decor or something for my craft room with it, in my office at home, or maybe something for work, because I just think it's so beautiful. And then that's the other side. Even that's really beautiful, the tone on tone. And then I also got another one of their tag pages because I thought those were really cute. And I got the sheep sprinkles, which I don't really use, but I like that they're these really, I don't know if you can see that, they're these really sparkly, beautiful, different colored snowflakes. They're so pretty. Again, this was all on their Christmas, I think it was at 40% off. Oh, and then I got the cut aparts page as well, because I have the small ones, the 6x6 ones, which are a little bit smaller. So I thought the winter, I just really love the colors they did this year with the teals and the purples and the blues. Just thought they did awesome on that. That's by Doodlebug, if I didn't mention. And then I had done a big purchase from Echo Park. I did like their warehouse sale. I had never purchased from them, so I did. And then I got everything in this Happy Holidays kit except the actual collection kit. And I still don't know why. I don't know if I missed it or it sold out or what happened. But they, Papercrafters Workshop, put this one also on sale. It was regularly $21.99, and I think I got it for about $13. So I thought that was a great price, and that's Canadian too. That's the sticker on the back. I love the style of this one. Like, I love the retro, just very 50s, 60s look to me. That's what it reminds me of. It makes me think of my my grandmother for some reason. I think it's the ornaments. Anyways, so I really can't wait to play and do some cool Christmas stuff with this kit. I haven't purchased a full kit of anything before, so I was kind of, I thought for Christmas that would be great because you really get to use a lot of that stuff. And also in the Echo Park, they had the solids for this Winterland that I thought were such beautiful colors. And then when I saw this one on sale, I thought, let's give it a grab because it's so neutral. You could easily make cards, like birthday cards with this, just like general cards. Like, it doesn't have to be, it's not Christmassy, it's more winter, and I like that. And it's a very different, it's a much cooler, lighter palette, lots of dark grays and blacks and light grays and pinks. So it's very kind of lighter. I like that. And it's a little bit of pink or purple in there too. So I like that. And then when we were in the shop, because I was with my daughter and my son, and of course my son went right to the candy, but my daughter went to pastes and inks. And so she chose a few things. This is the thing I let her purchase. She loves purple also, so we got a purple stickles, and this is, I'm trying to see, this is by Ranger. Oh, aubergine. So that's the color. We don't have any a color like this in our collection. I say our collection because she does share everything with me. And then we both were looking at the stencil butters, and I don't have a black one, and this one is cool because it's by the Crafters Workshop, and it's black tie stencil butter, and it's this kind of shiny, it's not shimmery shiny, it's just glossy, like a glossy black, and I really like that. I don't have anything like that. And then I have this retro summer in the I have the kit, like the large 12 by 12, and I've been making some summer books with it. I'm going to do a video on a series of folios that I've made for this trip we take every year, and I did it, and one of them is with this retro summer. And I realized that I really love the colors and the style of this. And when I saw it in the store for less than $6, I thought, yep, that's coming home with me, because I have a bunch of cut aparts and stickers and things that I can still use with this at home. Okay, so that is my haul. These are all my goodies from that purchase, and hopefully, because we are still traveling through Ontario, I'm hoping to hit at least one more craft store, maybe to buy some goodies. Since I can't craft when I'm on the go, we are very minimal on our suitcases and that. I'm just watching videos and filming them, and I'm also doing some purchasing. So thought that was fun as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, thank you. Bye. Have a good day.